Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to create anaglyphic editable text object on Adobe Illustrator. First, I am going to put text here and scale it up a little, just big enough to work with. Then I will make the tracking hundred. Change my text. I guess I need to make my text a little big. Okay, this can work. Then go to appearance setting while our text is selected. Go to appearance settings, then give it a new fill. By giving it a new fill, you make this appearance editable, and I am going to give it another fill, more to fill. You can see I gave new to fill. First, this one has come by default. Then I gave two more fills. Now I am going to work with this and this fill. Just keep watching. First I am going to change this color, and then I am going to change this color, just enough to work with. I guess okay, this should be done, or you can use swatches too if that's what you prefer. This color should be fine. Okay, then extend the fill option and go to transformation. Go to transform. You can change the location or transform the fill that you selected. You can see I selected this blue fill. Okay, only the fill that you selected will change or transform using this transform option. I am going to change this. I am just going to move the fill, not ratio or any copies, just move the fill. So keep watching. I am going to move my fill like horizontally. Okay, horizontally. I am first giving 10 pixels and options. You can see the party blue fill has moved. So I want the blue fill to move to the left side of my design or text. I am going to minus 20. Then this moved too much for me to work with. Then I am going to give it 15. Okay, this looks pretty plausible for me to work with. I'm going to give yes. Then I am going to select the red fill. Now I am selecting the red fill, not the blue one. Then go to function again, go to distort and transform. This time the text is going to move 15 pixels to the right. Okay, before the blue fields transform, I put a minus, but this time the minus will not be there. Okay, you can edit or change any options you want, like opacity or any other options you want to play with. That's personal for you to work with and play around. You can just option overlay any other options on the opacity. You can see that there a new field has come. Okay, the portion that both of them interacts or connects became pinkish type. You can do a editable text object like this. You can change the text, like I am going to change happy. You can see that this lets you edit any object or any effect on Adobe Illustrator. You can move it anything, you can do anything with this text effect. And this effect does not only let you move it, it also lets you change the object. So you can just pretty much do anything with this effect. You can do with normal text. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to get any notification for my later videos. Thank you.